Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some of the updates that I've done for my Clothing Boutique Business Plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is I'm pretty much just going to walk y'all through 2 or 3 of the changes that I made, some of the updates. And then at the end of the video, I'll go ahead and provide y'all with the link to purchase the Clothing Boutique Business Plan template if you are so inclined to do so. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. All right, so the first change that I did for the Clothing Boutique Business Plan template is that I updated the industry research for 2023. So what I do, I have a subscription to IBIS World, and they are the industry leader in, industry research. So what I did is I went over to the website, I logged into it, and then I searched clothing boutiques in the U.S. and reviewed the report that they had, summarized the information, and I put it into my business plan template. For example, I've updated the clothing boutique revenues for the competitors for the last 12-month period of their report. I updated the profits, the profit margin for the competitors on average, number of businesses in competing in the industry, number of employees ballpark that are employed by these businesses, and the wages earned by these businesses. So all that good stuff and more has been updated in my Clothing Boutique Business Plan template, specifically the industry research section. The next thing that I did was I expanded my industry research. So I usually have about a page worth of content in the industry research. And what I did is I added the product segmentation, which includes the women's clothing, the footwear, the accessories, and then other segments. I lumped those up and put those in a separate category. So now we've got a little bit more meat in the bone for the industry research section as well. The third update that I made to the Clothing Boutique Business Plan template is I've made it more customizable for the first 12-month profit and loss statement. So typically what we would do is I'd give you all the opportunity to say, hey, how much do you want to go ahead and grow your revenues for the first year? You put that percentage in, and then my finance model would divide that percentage and then grow each month by that percentage. However, right now what I've done is I've customized the profit and loss tab for year 1 to allow you to change the sales growth on a monthly basis. Let's be honest, during the Christmas season for clothing boutiques, it's probably going to be a little bit busier as compared to the summer or the spring. And so what I've done is I've given you all the opportunity to change the growth percentages right here at the bottom. And when you change the growth percentages here, the growth for the revenues for that month will increase from the previous month at your specified rate. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. And as always, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you do buy my Clothing Boutique Business Plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a tutorial. Both of those are on my website. It also comes with a basic financial model as well as a tutorial on how to use that financial model. And then I also provide just general tutorials on how to complete or how to fill in each one of the sections that are in my business plan template. And you can find that information right here at this link. There are some limitations to all of my business plan templates. First and foremost, they are not compatible with Google Docs, and they are not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And then finally, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to have a discussion about my template before you buy it, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. However, after you purchase the template, if you do need some help with filling it out, you don't want to mess around with the tutorials, you just want somebody to walk you through it step by step, I do charge for that service. And give me a call and we can talk about the fees and the prices for that. But just keep in mind, there is no free phone support after you purchase the template. If you are interested in purchasing maybe Clothing Boutique Business Plan template, the link is right here. And then as always, finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates and tutorials, you just want somebody to just write your clothing boutique business plan template for you, I do offer custom business plan writing services as well as custom pro forma financial projection services as well. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.